Mansion out in the sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. You got desires. I know.
What's up, y'all? It is Saturday, July 13th. I'm with Anna, and we're at the 21C Museum just trying to do something. It's 11 o'clock. Yeah, I just wanted to come on here and give y'all an intro, but we are going to the museum, and it should be fun because this museum is crazy, so.
I'm sorry, I'm not the way you paint the picture of me. I'm sorry you chose to stay. Big mistake, I played the game. Should've never given it away. No, I didn't mean to. You get hurt at all. I appreciate the time with you. My heart is when I'm with you. I don't think we're compatible. It's just not impossible. No, we all kinda selfish, baby. Please don't judge me. Please don't. I think I need to. I just need to go ahead and leave.
What do I give for my birthday? What do I give for my birthday? Is that who that is for real? This one's kind of cute. It gets serious. It'll get serious. We about to be in here for another hour. I hope not though, because I'm tired. Yeah, take one. I kind of like that walking out the frame. It is. Oh, I want to like this. Oh, I'm all in your big house. It's okay.
Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about we a lot, or you speak French now. Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hint now. I hate you up like, do you wanna hang right now? On the east side, and you know I'm with the head. You say, do I wanna watch, do I know what time it is right now? It's after 2 a.m. and that's how it's gonna all she talking about is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me. All she ever said is come and see me for once. Come and see me.
Y'all, we just been taking pictures the entire time. I was trying to do a TikTok, but I don't know. You like them? We got their shoes in it. I miss my man so bad. I want to go home. I'm really tired, but I'm trying to have girl time. I don't know what my camera is doing. Do y'all see that? Maybe. Do y'all see the lines, or am I tripping? I gotta enjoy girl time. I've really been trying to like get out and experience my friends. Girl thought my camera was broke. Why is that? Cause like it was like lines in it in the bathroom, but I think it was just like the lighting from the bathroom.
Nobody that I can't even love you. Swear these days all you say is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me. All she hit me with is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. Y'all never come to me. Y'all never come to me. Why you gotta start, girl? Why you gotta start? I know we make time for the things that we want. I know you got another nigga trying to play the part. Just cause he got a heart don't mean he got a heart. Could be standing in the field and he still ain't in the field. If anything should change, then I thought we had a deal. Lately you keep questioning what you get out the deal. Doing things to make me feel the way I make you feel. How hard is it to let you know when I'm coming home? That way you could be prepared. Maybe take a couple sick days and I miss pay. I don't even know what things are looking like inside of your place. How it's decorated. This thing is getting one-sided. I can't even lie to you right now. Yeah. All she talking about is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. Y'all never come to me. Y'all never come to me. Yeah. All she hit me with is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. Y'all never come to me.